Hello, guys. Good evening, and welcome to another TDC raffle draw event for our November free vacation trip to OBUDU Ranch. And this is our second edition. And I'm your host, Paularge. I'll be taking you through the session. Last month, we did the raffle draw for the second to the last ticket, and we got a winner. And this is the last raffle draw for this vacation trip. So if you bought tickets this month, the numbers I have here with me are the numbers you have on your ticket, and whoever comes out winner tonight is the lucky person that won the last ticket for this free vacation trip. So tonight we have from number 1 to 21. So we have 21 contestants tonight, and we are expecting to get just one winner. If you are new here and you don't know what TDC is all about, I will leave a link in the description below for you to check out what we are all about here in TDC, and you can also subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Now, before you click on that link, let me give you a brief description about TDC. TDC is an online payment and VTU platform that has so many earning opportunities. We have so many opportunities for you to make money. We have multiple streams of income. We have different channels that you can channel your energy to and start making money real quick. This is not a get rich quick scheme, but you will get rich real quick if you follow our mentorship programs and use our learning resources. If you've never been to OBUDU Ranch, I'll be showing you how OBUDU Ranch looks like and what you'll be getting, or what those winners will be getting. It's all expense paid, from transportation costs to feeding and accommodation, to and fro, all for free. So whoever emerges winner tonight is a lucky winner indeed. Without wasting much of our time, I'll take you guys straight into my screen where we'll be doing the wheel spinner to get the winner for tonight. Let's go there. Okay guys, so here we are, and this is our wheel spinner where I'm going to be putting all the ticket numbers from number 1 to 21. If you look here in this section, this is where I'm going to input all your ticket numbers and spin the wheel. So before doing that, before now, I already typed numbers 1 to 21 in my notepad, and in order to save time for us, so I'm going to just copy and paste, and here we go. Let's confirm the numbers, number 1 to 21. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. And afterwards, let's proceed and shuffle the numbers. Shuffle them. Okay, we are good to go. We're good to go, and we're going to spin the wheels right now. So good luck, guys, and let's spin the wheels right now. And our winner for tonight, oh, is this number 4? We have number 4, and moving to number 8. Wow, that's a very slim win for number 4. It's almost between 4 and 8, but it didn't cross over to 8, so number 4 is our winner for tonight. Congratulations, number 4. Lucky winner, number 4. Please, if you are the winner, please just drop a comment below and let us know how you feel about winning tonight. And that's it, guys. We have our lucky winner, number 4. Number 4, congratulations once again. See you at OBUDU Ranch next week. And I hope you guys are all preparing for your vacation trip to OBUDU Ranch. If you are not participating in this, if you didn't win yourself a free ticket, or you didn't qualify for any of the slots to go to OBUDU Ranch this year, don't worry, next year is available, and next year we have more trips. We're not just going to have just OBUDU Ranch. We have more trips, we have more things to win. We still have our monthly raffle draw for new TDC signups. Still have our monthly raffle draw where you win the TDC branded t-shirts, the face cap, the power banks, the cash prizes, and TDC points value, airtime, data. We still have those items to win. I hope you enjoyed this session. See you on the next raffle draw. Keep working hard, keep believing, and TDC will keep making millionaires. Before we go, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure you share to your friends, and make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. If you don't know anything about TDC, there's a link below that you can follow to get everything you need to know about TDC. Our training resources, everything is there. You can join any of our communities out there and watch videos on this channel to learn more about TDC. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Peace out.